रिवीजन कर लीजिए थोड़ा सा। देखिए जो केमिस्ट्री है, chemistry is a very important and very interesting subject, and you know that everything is just made with the chemistry. And I want to just explain here, I want to just go to explain here basic concept of the chemistry, class 11th, chapter 1st. This is very important chapter for everyone, and we know that in this chapter we revise all of the things that is we studied in the last classes, and everything is just very important which is revised in this chapter. That what things you use in your life that is related to the chemistry, you should know that the cloth which is made of the chemistry chemicals that is also provided by the chemistry, and all of the medicines that you use in your illness time and sickness time, that is made with the chemicals, and that is also provided by the chemistry. And all of the things here there you can see in your daily life, that toothpaste and toothbrush, all of the things made with the chemistry. And our many important diets, that is protein, fat and carbohydrate, all of the things that is related to the chemistry, that is provided by the chemistry. And in the space and in your search and everywhere you can find that lot of the chemicals are used in your and your future, in every aspect of the life you used lot of the chemicals. Now we are here to say that is very important. You enjoy with their tools, play a lot of the games, that is that instruments are also made with the chemicals that is provided by the chemistry. Now we want to say that something that is related to your topic of your chapter. I want to say the matter. Everywhere we find that matter, and how many types of matter. You should just comment in your comment box how many types of the matters. Everyone know that the matter can be the matter which is which have the volume and having the mass is called matter, and it can categorize in three category normally, that is solid, liquid and gas. But in the aspect of the chemistry, this is on the basis of the physical appearance, physical status of the compound, physical status of the matter. But I want to say that we are here to study the chemistry, and in the chemistry the matter is categorized in two categories, that is mixture and pure form of the matter. Mixture, if you mix together two or more compounds, two or more matter, that may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous means the mixture have a definite ratio to mix together, and this type of the mixture cannot be separated by the physical method, and they cannot be identified with your naked eyes. With the naked eyes you can see that the matter which are combined together or mixed together have a same property, seen just same, and there are no any difference between them. So you can say that is homogeneous. This is more popular example is solution. You can give example of the solution that is commonly you can find that water and table salt and sugar and the water, and sometimes you can say that the today's is very popular and controversial solution is the petroleum and ethanol E20. That is too much highlighted in the social media and a lot of the social platform, and government are also facing a lot of the problems with the. I want to say the mixture, which type of mixture you can find in your life. You can say if you have any mixture, you can have any solution. Example of the solutions. I am saying another example that is too much popular, and everyone know that the water and ethanol. Ethanol, that is alcohol, and it's too much famous in the society which are drunk to the alcohol. And I want to say this is the homogeneous mixture. Another type of the mixture that is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture or mixture of two or more material which can be identified as कुछ लोगों के कमेंट हैं वेटर हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. क्या आप लोग कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं? हाय, ठीक है. इनफैक्ट I'm attending the class with the mobile. I'm unable to see the comment, but I hope to you that you should just comment if you have any questions or have any solution to comment in the comment box. So I want to say that I'm saying the topic heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous means two or more material are combined together, and that identities are revealed by the physical methods that can be identified by the physical method, and that physical method can be separate to that kind of the matters, and that is another type of the mixture, and it can also named that colloid solution. You know that colloid solution. Colloid solution is a heterogeneous mixture. And suspension. Suspension is such type of the mixture that can be easily separated. Means the solvent or too much large particle that can be settled down in their bottom, and you can find in their acetocalcium syrup, and you can also find in the solution if you make the solution of the chalk, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is generally find out in their classroom with if the teacher is teaches with the chalk, that is calcium carbonate, and that's mixture with the water is called suspension. You can say that too much good example in your life. You can find that mud means soil and water, that is also a mixture of the suspension. There is a lot of examples in your life, and you can find another example in your life. I hope to write an example of daily life. You can find that is a heterogeneous mixture. And I want to take another topic, that is a pure mixture and pure matter. Pure matter have identical type of the unit that is repeatedly get together to form some matter, and that is only one type of the matter. It can be categorized in two categories. That one of them is element and another is compound. Element is the smallest entities which repeatedly combine to forms the matter, and it have the only one type of the atoms. Similarly, another type of the category, that is compound. Compound is a group of the elements which combine to form a unit, and the unit forms get together a set of the matters. Means you can say that here H2O, hydrogen and oxygen, this forms the compound, and C6H12O6, that is the sugar, and this molecule of the compound forms a sugar. And NaCl, similarly you can say that NaCl, Na, that is the sodium, and Cl, that is the chlorine, both have the bond between them, and it forms with table salt or table salt. And this type of the matter is called, what type of the matters? This type of the matter is called compound, and it have two or more element which is chemically bonded to each other. I want to know that another example you have learned in their daily life, or here, there, and everywhere you can find, that is the example of compound. You should write in their comment box. I have to be that good example, well known, that can write the example in your comment box. I very many persons are watching the video with no one write the example. I hope everyone know that. I'm sure that you know that, but why you're not writing the example in your comment box? Please, you should write the example of compound in the comment box. Please, you should write the example of compound in your comment box. Don't worry. This is is the matter, and now I have another topic, that is the unit, or it is also known as physical quantities. Yes, physical quantities and units. What is the unit? If you want to say that, if I say to you that you should measure the length of here to here. What you should do that? Commonly the students are measure it in this way, that this is the way, and the height of the different different students are not same, and then this is some student find that this is the 5, and another student can measure it 6. But if you measure anything in any measurement, that will be same here, there, or for you, for me, and for any other person. That is the ideal unit. But if someone say that I can measure it in this way, and this is not also ideal measurement, because here also you can find that the length of hand is different to person, and this measurement is not similar for all of the persons. So we should just have a definite length to measure with that, and this will be also same for you and me and another person, and here and there, not only here and not only there, everywhere that measurement will be same. That is the unit. And similarly you can say that you can find in the past period that there was a barter system. What is the barter system? Barter system means anyone gives you a material, that is grain, in a tokery, in basket, and another person exchange with the another material with the basket. But no one can say that we give you a same amount of the matter, and no one can say that that can take same amount of the matters. So here international units can be decided by the everyone, for every person's will be same. That is 5 type the physical base, physical quantities, that is physical quantities and symbol and unit and symbol. In this way, what is the base physical quantities? First of all, we can write here the length, and length is denoted by L, and unit is meter. Meter is also symbolized as a small m, and second is mass, and mass is symbolized as small m, and mass is measured in the unit kilo, and K is the symbol of kilo. And third basic physical quantity is time. Time is symbolized as small t. What is small t? And its unit is second, that is symbolized as small s. And fourth basic unit is electric current. Which electric current, I, and its unit is ampere. capital A is the symbol of this physical quantity. And now fifth is the, you can find that amount of substance as fifth is amount of substance that is denoted by N, and its unit is mole, and its symbol is mole. Here is not E only, means in the unit and the symbol have the difference between difference only E. And another 6, temperature that is denoted by capital T, and its unit is Kelvin, that is denoted by K, capital K. And at last seventh unit, the seventh physical quantity, that is intensity of light, and that is IV, and its unit is candela CV. There are total 7 physical quantities and their units. We should just आप लोगों ने कमेंट किया, हम देख नहीं पा रहे। ओ सॉरी डियर स्टूडेंट, वीडियो क्लियर नहीं है। सॉरी डियर स्टूडेंट, वीडियो क्लियर नहीं है। आपकी डिमांड है, हाँ, हमने थोड़ा सा राइटिंग का केयर नहीं किया है, बहुत रफली लिख दिया है। एक्चुअली आपको मैं केयर कर रहा था कि आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं दे रहा है, तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। अब हम अभी का इसके बाद का लिखते हैं तो आपको वीडियो साफ दिखेगी आई थिंक। और ये फ्रंट कैमरा से है तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इससे ज़्यादा क्लियर वीडियो नहीं हो सकती। बाकी आप लोग से उम्मीद है कि आपको और भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो ज़रूर लिखें। हालांकि हमें थोड़ा सा आपका कमेंट देखने के लिए मुझे पीछे जाना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि वीडियो आपका जो है कैमरे से ही रिकॉर्ड हो रही है। ठीक है, चलिए हम लोग थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे। हाँ, आप लोग थोड़ा सा अपना जो है विचार रखेंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में तो मुझे सहयोग मिलेगा आई थिंक। चलिए, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपको साफ दिखाई दे और वीडियो क्लियर मिले। आई होप दैट यू विल बी सेटिस्फाइड। सो we are taking another some smallest to largest unit which are generally used in our study. I want to start a smallest unit to the larger unit. So you can write here 10 to the power minus 5, that is femta. Femta, that is divided by F, and 10 to the power minus 12, that is pico, and small divided by small p, and you know that 10 to the power minus 9, that is nano, and divided by small n, and In between them, a measurement of 10 to the power minus 9. What is known as 10 to the power minus 9? 10 to the power minus 10. You should write the name of this small unit in the comment box. I hope you that you should write the name of this small unit, and this is very popular in botany, zoology, and such type of things you studies by the microscope. Similarly, another example I want to write here, that 10 to the power minus 6, that is micro, that is symbolized by micro. And another now we are saying that a large unit, that is 10 to the power 3, that is kilo, and denoted by k. And 10 to the power 6, that is mega, small m symbol. And 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 9, that is giga, capital G. And 10 to the power, what, 10 to the power 12, that is tera, that is symbolized is as a T. And another symbolized as T, capital T. And another is, that is 10 to the power 15, this is the peta P. This some small and large unit are generally used in your study and in your daily life. That pico is used, pico and nano. These are used to measure the what? This is the orbital. And another micro is used to measure the length of bacteria. And this is a angstrom. I asked you the name of this measurement, that is angstrom. You should just use to measure the also bacteria and virus length of in this unit. And another unit, kilo, generally used you used in your daily life. You bought the vegetables in kilogram, and fruits also bought in your measurement of kilogram. Mega is a large unit. And giga is used in a computer calculations, that is giga. Giga is generally used for CPU calculations. And tera and peta, these are used to measure the storage of computer. HDD, hard drive, storage of computer, that is known as hard drive. Means storage of hard drive you can measure it in tera and peta. This is very important units to use in our daily life, and you should just find this is very important. And you must use, if you have a computer that you know that your hard disk HDD have the capacity 1 TB, 1 terabyte. Sometimes you have the HDD 500 GB, and you have the mobile that's storage is about 128 GB is the storage. Sorry dear student, my mobile's battery is too much down to cannot too long be the live, so I want to stop the live here, and next day we continue this topic again, and the similar time about after 10 o'clock in the night. I have to, you should just meet with me, and I request you that you should just like this live. A lot of the persons are watched, but in only one person like this live. Please, I got a energy to your like. So please, goodbye.